Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can purchase the product from the Flipkart for 1 rupee and 49 rupees and 99 rupees. So in this three variant I am going to show you how you can purchase from the Flipkart. So before going to the video friends, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts please do comment down below. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all, open the Flipkart app. So as you can see here, I opened my Flipkart app. Make sure that your app is up to date. So once you update the apps, as you can see here, I log in my account. So once you log in friend, basically here there is in below shop super coins and ideas I have. So here just click on the super coins. So here we can purchase with the super coins friends. So here I have an 198 rupees. So I will show you how we can purchase this three. So just scroll on below. As you can see here, we have an 1 rupee store, 49 rupee store and 99 rupees store. So here in this three variant we can purchase any products friends from here. So I'm going to show you how you can purchase it. So before going to that, so let us see how we can get this super coins in Flipkart. So just tap on it. So here basically Flipkart super coins, nothing but friends. So when you are purchasing any product from the Flipkart, any recharge, you are doing the recharges, bill payments, you are doing any shopping, any booking friends. So basically we will get the super coin for each purchase from here, and also you will get the, so for the every product maximum of 100 super coins you will get maximum friends. So as you can see here, and also you will get a Flipkart membership. So as you can see here, for the Realme XT I got the 100 super coins and 32 super coins and 24 here we can earn for this friends. So every order we can earn. So as you can see here, I have only 198. So let us see the product. So let us go here. So just scroll down. So as you can see here, let us see first of all 1 rupee store. So just tap on it. So as you can see here, there are lots of products available. Just scroll down. So if you want to buy the mouse, as you can see here, so just scroll down. So let us think that if I want to buy this earphones, so just tap on it. So as you can see here, they are telling that we can pay 789 rupees of super coins, and we can pay 1 rupee friend. Just for 1 rupee we will get this earphone. So if you have any super coins, just you can go through it. So it's an amazing deal. So you can get this for 1 rupee only. So if you have to collect the super coins soon. Basically we can collect normally, so we can collect this from the Flipkart. So and also we have an 49 rupees store. So and also here also same friends, it will work as same. So as you can see here, there are a lot of products available here. So as you can see here, we have to pay 49 rupees from our account, and also 350 rupees of super coins. So if we have 350 rupees of super coins, so you can directly purchase for 49 rupees, and just you can scroll down. So as you can see here, so it is also available. So you can just go through it. So same, all are same friends. Just in the 49 store you have to pay 49 rupees, and rest of them you can pay with the super coins. So let us go to the 99 rupees store. So as you can see here, there are also some products so you can purchase from here. So as you can see here, it is loading. So cards, everything available here. So if you want the product, just you can go through it. So if you have the super coins, just you can buy it friends. So just click on it. So just click on buy, and you can pay the 1 rupee from the online, and you can get the product for the 1 rupee itself. So that's all for this video friends. If you have any doubts, please do comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want any Udemy courses, I will give the link in the description. Just go through that. I will give all the Udemy courses for free of cost friends. So if you want the Udemy courses, you can just join to our WhatsApp group, and if you have any doubts related to this, just you can comment down below. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.